Round the corner, not far away, Flop's got a job for Bing today. Oh, it's been raining. Let's put your wellies on, Bing.
Oh, hello, Wellies. I've got a job for you. Hello.
Hello.
You have to come outside and keep my feet dry.
That's right. Your feet will be nice and snug in there. Ready, Bing?
Yup. Ready.
Come on. Wait a minute. Okay, Bing. Now you can put the rubbish in the bin.
Ugh, smelly and disgusting.
Yep. Rubbish can get a bit disgusting. Let's close the lid now.
Ugh. Flop, you haven't put your rubbish in the bin yet.
But this isn't for the bin, Bing. It's for recycling.
What's recycling?
Well, some things don't need to be thrown away.
Ooh.
They can have another job. Like this bottle.
Oh, it's all squashed up.
Yep. But it can be made into a new plastic thing. Like a cup.
Oh, like my penguin cup.
Yep. Just like that.
Oh, clever bottle.
Indeed.
What's this one going to be, Flop?
Maybe a bucket?
Ah,
Or a loo brush?
you might be a loo brush.
Yes, what a lucky recycled thing. Come on.
Do you have to go in, Flop? My wellies like it out here. Splish, 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 splish.
Okay, Bing.
My wellies want to go this way.
Sure.
What's recycling?
Ready, Bing?
Yup.
Well, some things don't need to be thrown away.
Ooh.
They can have another job.
Ah. What's this one going to be, Flop?
Maybe a bucket? Or a loo brush?
You might be a loo brush.
Okay, Bing. Now you can put the rubbish in the bin.
Ugh, smelly and disgusting.
Yep. I don't think it's working, Bing.
But it's still my turn to be Shadow Monster.
I think it's going to rain, Bing. Come on, Bing. Let's get inside.
No, I want to play Shadow Monster.
Quick, inside.
No, I don't want to.
Come on. You're getting soaked. Look.
Oh. No.
Whoa, look at that.
Look, my shadow's still out there and it's getting all cold and wet.
Your shadow always stays close to you, Bing, so it can't be outside if you're in here.
Where?
Well, if we want to find him, the light needs to see you.
Oh.
Ah.
Ah, my torch!
Yep, that's got a lot of light in it.
Look, Flop, your shadow. It's behind you.
Oh, hello again, Shadow.
Where's my shadow, Flop?
Here, let's look.
I want to find him.
Okay.
Shadow! 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 Where are you? Shadow!
Bing,
Oh, I can't find him, Flop.
here. He's behind you.
Oh, my shadow's here!
Indeed. Now the light can see you. You can see your shadow.
Hey! Woo!
Dun, 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 dun. Here I come. Dun, dun, dun. Shadows. They're a Bing thing.
And now I'm it.
Now we have a blanket,
Yup.
sandwiches,
Yup.
drinks,
Yup.
biscuits,
Yup.
pants.
Yup.
Well then, that's everything we need. All ready?
Yup.
Okay.
Let's go picnic! Oh, it's raining.
It is raining. What are we going to do now?
Oh, this big umbrella.
Even with a big umbrella, would it be a good picnic in the wet?
We can hide under a tree.
Bing, it's just too soaking wet for a picnic.
Oh, Flop, we got everything ready.
I know, Bing. Maybe we can picnic another time when it's not raining.
Oh, so I want a picnic now.
I know. Come on, let's get the things out of the wheelie.
Okay. Blanket,
Yep,
sandwiches,
yep,
drinks,
yep,
biscuits,
yep,
and pants.
yep. Indeed.
Look, Flop, there's a picnic in our kitchen. Oh.
Oh, indeed.
Come on, Flop. We can have a picnic in our kitchen now.
Sure. Here, Bing.
It's yummy, delicious.
Good for you, Bing Bun.
All you need for a picnic is a special place to eat on a blanket.
Having a picnic. It's a Bing thing.
Even in our kitchen. Finished!
Oh.
Can we take a picture, Flop?
Sure. I'll get the phone.
Can I see the picture?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at my dinosaur.
Yep. It's a Dottysaurus.
Look.
Oh, dear.
Can we do another one?
Okay. But we'll need to be quick, Bing. It's starting to rain.
No. My dinosaur. It's going away.
It is going away. It's raining.
I'll get umbrella. There. Oh no. Oh.
Bing.
You can keep that bit dry.
Oh, we can't keep your dinosaur dry forever, Bing. It's raining, and chalk doesn't like water.
Oh. Oh.
Your dinosaur's too big to fit under our umbrellas.
Oh no.
Here, Bing.
Look, Flop. His tail's gone. Now his legs.
Oh, it's stopping now.
My dinosaur's all gone away.
Yep.
I want him to come back.
He can't come back, Bing. He was made of chalk.
Oh,
But you'll always have him because we took a picture, remember?
yes.
Oh, look, Bing, your dinosaur's eye is still here.
That's not an eye now.
No? Here.
Oh, it's a Dottysaurus egg.
Indeed. Good for you, Bing Bun.
I tried a dinosaur, and it was a great big Dottysaurus. I'm a giant.
All right, giants. The rain stopped, so it's time to take Sula home now.
Oh, but we'll get wet feet if we go out now.
Oh, well, good thing you've got your boots with you.
Ooh. Yeah. Ready? I got my boots on already. I'm a giant. I'm a giant.
Okay, come on.
Let's go. Yeah. Bum, 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 dum, 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 dum. Bum, 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 bum. Dum, dum, dum,
Oh.
dum.
All right, you little giants. Come on, this way.
Flop, I'm not little. I'm a big, big giant with big, big boots. And I am. I'm gonna get that teeny tree.
Look out, trees. The giant's coming.
I'm going to get this teeny tiny forest.
Look out, Forest. The other giant's coming to get you.
Now, where are these Penty mixers?
We're over here. Yes, and I am.
Well, oh, there you are. Are you okay?
No, Flop. The hose chased us. Oh, it's a shaky snake, Flop.
Oh, dear.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Well, look, it doesn't look like that anymore. No, here, come and see.
It's okay. There's no shaky snakiness here.
I wanted to do the tap.
Ah.
And then it turned on and it went splash. And it was a scary snake, Flop. Yeah.
I see. You know, you can always ask for help, Bing.
But that's what I said. Yes. I wanted to do the showing.
It's okay to show people how to do things you know,
Yes.
but sometimes it's a good idea to ask for help. Here, try again, Bing. Very gently.
Very gently.
And off.
Oh.
Well done.
Yes. Why does it make a shaky snake?
If we turn it on fast, the water whooshes fast. And that makes the hose do a shaky, snaky dance.
It's a shaky snaky dance, Bing.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go,
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 go, go.
Yay! Shaky snakey, shaky snakey, shaky snakey. A scary snake! A scary snake! It's a shaky snaky dance, Bing. This one. Oh, can I see? It's got a pattern on it. Curly whirly.
Oh, this is a very special stone, Sula.
Oh.
It's called an ammonite fossil.
Oh. What's that ammonite fossil?
Well, it's a stone that used to be alive.
Silly Flop. The stone isn't alive.
Before it became this stone, it was a real live sea creature. And it lived millions of years ago.
When Biteysaurus was alive?
Yes.
Wow.
Then it fell through the water to the bottom of the sea.
Oh. Poor curly whirly ammonite.
And very slowly, the ammonite became this lovely fossil.
Oh. I love my ammonite. It's my specialist stone ever. I want to find one too.
Well, they can be hard to find.
I'm very good at finding things. Let's look that I found my one. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. What about this? Oh. Where are you, Ammonite fossil? Ammonite. Where are you? Remember to turn them over, Bing. Because it might be hiding on the other side.
Oh, good idea, Sula.
Any ammonites under here? No. Oh, maybe this one. Oh, it's just mud. Oh, look at this one. Is it an ammonite? No. But it's all sparkly.
Oh, that's a lovely stone, Sula.
I'm going to keep it.